Alright, what is up guys? So today we are going over a day in the life of running a pressure washer business. What we've got today is we're going to be reaching out to 50 customers initially. We're going to do our wash job. We've got a driveway clean. We're going to go work out, and then we're going to put out some signs, follow up, and just relax. So let's get after it guys. Let's go. So we got just an update for you guys. We got a $300 gutter clean scheduled, and then we got a $900 driveway clean. So that's $1,200 today. Always following up with people, always doing the stuff that we need to do to make sure that this business runs. So always making sure to follow up. Follow up. You have to keep doing it. So yeah. And yes, look, this is how I do it. You know, this is a driveway clean, and this is actually going to include the pool area and sidewalks. So we got this at $900. That will be scheduled for February 24th at 1:30. So boom. Today we are washing a driveway, and what we're going to be doing initially is we're going to apply our soap mix onto the driveway, so it makes it really easy to cut through. And then we're going to basically weave, we're going to cut, we're going to pressure wash right across the perimeter of the driveway. Then we're going to surface clean it, and then we're going to apply another coat. So you have your pre-soak, your post-soak. I'll definitely write these down right over here. But guys, this is going to be exciting. Hopefully you guys learned something. About a $500 driveway clean. Should take us probably about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. It is thick grime, so you never know with this type of stuff. It is about an hour away though. Definitely had to incorporate a traveling fee, so if you're traveling more than, I would say 45 minutes, definitely incorporate a traveling fee towards your specific service. That's a vitally important key. So these guys are definitely, they're selling their home. They want to make sure that it looks right. They want to make sure that it looks presentable, and we're going to definitely do that for them. One thing I really love to do is put a sign out so that all the neighbors know exactly who we are and who did this magnificent job, I would say. So, boom. I'd say this is one of the best driveways we've cleaned. Make sure everyone knows that we did this. Okay guys, so I really wanted to discuss this. I really wanted to discuss this. It takes time for a young man to develop from an emotional perspective, but really, like, if you think about it, girls are basically given this luxurious lifestyle. Like, if you are pretty, if you are an attractive female, you are given the opportunity to get on yachts, go out of the country, live your life. If you're a young guy, rarely ever. I mean, I'm telling you, that is not going to happen. That is not going to happen. And quite frankly, you'll probably go invisible throughout your entire teens. Even in your 20s, dude. I'm in my 20s and I'm going through it right now. Like, legitimately, like that invisibility feeling, like, yes, it's still there. But at the end of the day, like, I'm looking at it. The script starts to flip probably around 30, 32, where a man really has to earn his life. Because if it was just given to him, it wouldn't earn respect. No one would respect him. You have to go out there and earn this damn life. A girl can be given it, and that's okay. But as a man, to become more visible or to start to live, actually, you got to go out there and earn it, man. And so every young guy, because 94% of people that watch this damn are men, and men between like 18 to 35, and really I see where I can potentially talk to you guys and tell you that it just needs to be earned. And I'm going through that right now, because I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I'm visible, because I'm literally going through the invisibility. I'm going through that lonely chapter right now, but I'm like blessed to be able to share it with you guys, and maybe someone's listening to this right now and experiencing that same shit. So recognize it's the day-by-day actions. You got to go earn this life. We have to go out there and do it. So I just want to put that out there, because every young guy out there that's hustling, that's starting a business, that's going through this life invisible, I fucking understand you, and I fucking get it, man. It's tough, it's hard, but you've got this, dude, seriously. All right, for the guys that want to get leaner this spring or summer, I've got the exact trick for you. What you want to be is in a caloric deficit, preferably like 2,000 to 2,100 calories. And by the way, any rapport, I lost legitimately 40 pounds over the past 2-3 years, 204 to about 167 pounds. So got a little bit of rapport within this structure, but a good rule of thumb per pound of lean meat, whether that's steak, 96.4 ground beef, turkey, it's 550 calories and 100 grams of protein if you eat 2 of those per day. Boom, there you go. You got your 200 grams of protein in a 1,000 calorie, really big deficit right there. But I would just stay within that 2,000 range, and then if you can also get addicted to caffeine, that really helps, maybe even some nicotine. Just disclaimer, just fucking with you. But definitely try that out. Alrighty guys, that's about it. That's the kind of the day in the life. After this, we're gonna go reach out to a bunch of property managers, edit some YouTube videos, and schedule the next day. So that's kind of how you go about it. Just chop wood day by day. And you know, I love you guys, so definitely hit that subscribe button. Damn, that's good.